Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon. I am your English teacher. Today we have another slow English listening activity. I will speak very slowly and very clearly to help develop your English listening skills. Please remember to like and subscribe. I am a small YouTube channel, so it really means a lot to me. Okay, our topic today is Vancouver. Vancouver is a city in Canada, and I am from Vancouver. Now I live in Colombia, but I was born and raised in Vancouver. So I'm an expert. Vancouver is in the province British Columbia. In Canada, we do not have states like the USA. We have provinces. And in the province of British Columbia is Vancouver. Vancouver is on the west coast. It is a beautiful city with mountains, forests, and beaches. Vancouver is an excellent vacation spot because there are things to do all year round. In the winter, you can go snowboarding, skiing, snowshoeing, and enjoy warm food. In the springtime, things start to warm up a little, and you can go hiking and sightseeing. The summer is a great time to visit Vancouver, but it gets a little busy. Lots and lots of people visit Vancouver in the summer, so sometimes you have to wait in long lines, and it can get a little hot. In the summer, the temperature can reach 34 degrees Celsius. My favorite season of the year is fall or autumn in Vancouver because the temperature is not cold, but it starts to cool down. The leaves on the trees change color from green to orange, red, yellow, and fall to the ground. It is very beautiful. I like to go to the pumpkin patch. In Vancouver and all of Canada, I think, Canadians love going to the pumpkin patch. We go to the farm, pet the animals, and go on a hayride. A big tractor pulls the hay. We sit on the hay, and it takes us around the farm to look at the pumpkins. We pick our favorite pumpkins and take them home because for Halloween we carve the pumpkins into jack-o'-lanterns. Ooh, I love it. Also, if you like Halloween, in Vancouver, there are lots of haunted houses and corn mazes. But I do not like to be scared, so I don't go. I think the best places to go if you visit Vancouver are the seawall at Stanley Park, Capilano Suspension Bridge, or Lynn Canyon Suspension Bridge, Science World, Grouse Mountain, the Sea to Sky Gondola in Squamish, and Shannon Falls. Yes, the waterfall has the same name as me. There are hundreds of things to do in Vancouver. So if you want a part 2 video, please let me know and I will make one. Let's look at a few of my favorite places. Number 1, this is Capilano Suspension Bridge. It is very famous, but it's a little expensive. It's nice because it's a big bridge suspended in the air, but if you're scared of heights, maybe don't visit this place. It's beautiful, and for different occasions, they decorate like Christmas time and Valentine's Day. It's super romantic. If you want a free alternative, you can go to Lynn Canyon Suspension Bridge. It's a little smaller, but it's free. But now I think you have to pay for parking. Oh man. Lynn Canyon is nice because after the bridge, you can go hiking and swimming in the beautiful river. Another nice place is Grouse Mountain. There are 2 ways to get to the top. You can take a gondola or you can hike up the Grouse Grind. Be careful. It's a long and difficult hike. Only try it if you have experience with exercise and the outdoors. At the top of Grouse Mountain, you have a beautiful view of the city. In the summer, they have lumberjack shows and you can eat beaver tails. Don't worry, it's not a real beaver tail. It's a sweet treat called a beaver tail. In the winter, you can go skiing, snowboarding, ice skating, or snowshoeing. This is a good choice all year round. Another cool place in Vancouver is Science World. Look, it looks so cool. Science World is not only for children. Adults can go too and see many different exhibitions. But be careful, because I remember once when I was a child, I went to Science World before I could read. I did not know how to read, and there was a bunch of perfume bulbs that you squeeze. I thought it was perfume, so I squeezed and smelled. But it was not perfume. It was the smell of farts. Science World was doing an exhibition on gross smelling things. Oh, I still remember. Okay, another neat idea is just outside of Vancouver. You can take a bus or go in a car to the Sea to Sky Gondola. I love the Sea to Sky Gondola. You go up, and at the top, it's a magnificent view all year round. You can see mountains, forest, ocean, glaciers. It's amazing. I love it. You can even have lunch or dinner and drink sangria. At the top, sometimes they have events like live music or axe throwing or different things. You can go hiking on one of their many trails. I really recommend this place. Besides the Sea to Sky Gondola is a famous rock called the Chief. You have to walk or hike or climb up the rock to the top. It is very physically tiring, but the view is amazing. On the other side of the Sea to Sky Gondola is a magnificent waterfall called Shannon Falls. Yes, it has the same name as me. It's beautiful. Okay, these are my favorite things to do in Vancouver. Now, I feel a little sad because I miss my home. But that's okay. Let me know in the comments if you want a part 2, or if you have more questions about Vancouver, Canada, or English. And please remember to like and subscribe, because I upload lots of videos teaching you English. Thanks for watching. Bye.